I recently did a NEWvember challenge to keep me accountable and tracking for the month of November. So I thought this video I would share my results and let you know some of the things I'm going to do to keep up my positive results. So if you'd like to see what my plans are and my results, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, I'm doing my November or NEWvember update on the weight loss for the month of November. I posted 30 videos of what I ate in a day. And after going to Weight Watchers this morning, I lost a total of 12.5 pounds for the month. So that shows what tracking can do. I stayed on track every day. I stayed within my points, never used all my weekly points, even on Thanksgiving. So I thought that was a win. I know I got a lot of comments from my subscribers that they enjoyed the NEWvember daily videos. And I know it helped me. It really helped me get on track and get a good head start for going through the holiday season. Another thing I learned from my November challenge was that once you do it for a bit, I mean, it's hard to get started tracking every day and following the points, but once you do it, it gets much easier and you can build on those results. So if you want to make a challenge to yourself to track it all, my advice is to try to get through at least the first couple weeks, because once you get through those, you'll find that it's a lot easier to stick with it. So I hope that all of you enjoyed it and got something from the video. But now we're getting into the difficult month of December with lots of parties and getting together with family and friends. So I really want to make sure that I continue my tracking, and I want to make sure that I get my water and my steps in every day. I did have that goal for November, but it didn't work out. I just had a lot of things going on, never got all my steps in or all my water. But my goal this month is to drink 1 gallon of water per day and to get at least as many steps as I can, I should say, some extra fitness every couple days, do some kind of a program. I figure if I can at least stay on track and for the month of December, and even if I have a few off days for the special, like Christmas Eve and Christmas, or tasting some of those Christmas cookies, that I will at least be doing something to stay on track. And I want to carry it forward into the new year, because I just want to make sure I stay on track and not waver off of the plan I have to lose 181 pounds. I thought there's a couple of things I think you can do to get through, or I can do to get through the holidays. I don't want to keep things in the house that I like to eat, because I know keeping goodies around are sometimes hard for me. Like I bought a package of the cinnamon bread at Costco last week, and those were so good. It was hard to resist. Even eating little slices, it's like I was glad to get rid of it. And I froze one loaf, so I have it for Christmas Day. And I bought a couple things recently, and I will just keep it for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, not opening it. They're packaged goodies. So we'll see what we can do on that. But I do want to make sure I have a plan for eating on the days, so I stay on track. I often find that if I start off early in the day with drinking my water and getting some exercise, that I make it through the day on a better note, because once you get a good start and you get those new set of points every day, when you started good, then you will finish it good, and it keeps you on track. And really, when you're going for those extra goodies that you may like, you have to think about, is it really worth it? I mean, a lot of times I want to go try stuff that I haven't had before, but then sometimes if I know what it tastes like, I just think to myself, well, geez, I really don't have to eat that because I already know what it tastes like. And sometimes when I take that first taste, it makes me want more and more. I think portion control is probably one of my hardest things to do during the holidays, and especially when I make food I like. So that's my thing, because I would like to eat more than just my portion. So, but really all you do is need a portion. If you're going somewhere to a party or something, you could just take a little bite of everything, so it doesn't, you get a taste of it, and it very possibly could satisfy you. And just try to keep in mind why you are wanting to do this. Think about if you're going to feel guilty at the end of the holiday season if you ate off track and it knocks you back down. And just do what you can to get through the holiday season. Have a plan what you're going to eat, how you're going to tackle difficult situations, whether they're ones that involve drinking. I mean, you could make a spritzer with wine and just break it, cut the calories or the points down by using a sugar-free 7-Up or ginger ale. And just those kind of little things, they all add up to help you have a holiday season that won't make you feel guilty and sad when you get on the scale in January. So those are the kind of things I want to do. Even though I probably will have tracking days that are a little bit higher. I know I'm going to a overnighter, a gambling trip in December, and those kind of things will definitely be harder to resist. And Christmas Eve and Christmas, and of course any other holiday get-togethers. I don't have too many of those, but we'll do what we can. As long as I'm trying to stay on track. One day is not going to totally kill you, as long as you get back on it and make sure that you start tracking and be good to go for the next day. But I figure if I drink my water every day and do a little bit of extra exercise every week, and even if I do have those bad days where I eat a little bit more, that it will help me not see a bad result on the scale. So I just thought I would share my thoughts with you on my NEWvember challenge update. So if you have any ideas for staying on track for the holidays, please comment below so I can read them, and then other people can possibly get help with some advice that you're willing to give. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.